Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Gosda with Crazy Mountain Veterinary Services. And today, our practice manager, Lori, and I will be discussing senior dog care and wellness.
Our first question is, what is the life expectancy of a dog?
So, in general, smaller dogs can live longer lives. It's not uncommon to see a Chihuahua live to the ripe age of about 16 years old. And in general, larger breed dogs tend to have shorter lives. So, St. Bernards are often only making it to about 8 years of age before they're considered a pretty old dog. Now, to put it in perspective, you'd expect an 8-year-old dog to be the equivalent of a 51-year-old human. And a 16-year-old dog would be about the equivalent of an 87-year-old human.
What are the most common problems in senior dogs?
So, as dogs age, they're prone to developing things like arthritis and joint pain, especially if they're overweight at any point during their life, especially when they become older. Carrying around that extra weight can be really hard on their joints. But both large and small dogs can also develop things like dental disease, although we do tend to see this look worse in small breed dogs. Just like humans, older dogs can definitely develop issues with hearing loss, vision loss, even dementia. Other less common diseases, such as heart disease, endocrine disorders, cancer, kidney problems, can develop as dogs age as well.
Does my senior dog need vaccinations and preventative care?
So, vaccinations and preventative care are just as important for older dogs as they are in younger dogs and puppies. Older dogs, especially ones that are social and interact with lots of other dogs, are at high risk of developing diseases like kennel cough and parvovirus, just like younger dogs. So they do need to stay current on those vaccinations. Rabies vaccinations are always required, no matter the age of the dog, just to protect public health, your own health, and your dog's health, because it's a very deadly disease. It's also helpful to continue preventative care for things like dental cleanings to prevent dental disease, but also perform routine blood work so that we can catch diseases before they become more of a problem. And we can develop treatment plans for these diseases early on before they become difficult to manage.
What are some signs and symptoms that my dog may be slowing down?
So, the first signs of slowing down in a dog can be pretty subtle and sometimes hard to pick up on. It might be as little a change as they don't jump as high to catch a ball or don't want to jump into the back of the pickup anymore. These can all be signs that your dog's developing pain associated with arthritis or other systemic problems that are affecting their energy levels and ability to do the things that they normally enjoy. It's best to get them in whenever you first notice these subtle signs, because that's whenever we can do the most to intervene in the disease progression of things that are affecting your dog and causing them to slow down. So, some dogs that have early stages of heart disease may develop a slight cough. You may see pain during activities that they've enjoyed their whole life that just prevent them from wanting to do their activities the way they have earlier on in their life.
What are some things I can do to make my aging dog more comfortable?
So, annual checkups with your vet can help you and your veterinary care team identify problems early on in disease processes. For example, dogs with osteoarthritis can be started on a daily anti inflammatory pain medication that will help minimize the inflammation that's causing the disease in their joints, as well as the pain associated with the disease. There's also some new and pretty promising medications on the market that involve a once monthly injection to help address pain associated with arthritis that we can offer our dogs. One of the most important things we can do to prevent discomfort in our dogs is keeping them at a healthy body weight throughout their life to help reduce the risk of arthritis as they age.
Are there any nutritional changes I should make as my dog grows older?
Yeah, there are lots of things that we should think about with our senior dogs when it comes to nutrition. For instance, a puppy and a young adult have very different nutritional requirements than a senior dog. So, starting around the age of 7 or 8, it's a good idea to start your dog on a well balanced senior dog formula to make sure that those nutritional needs are met. Many dogs can benefit from starting a joint supplement that contains chondroitin and glucosamine to help their joints stay healthy as they age. If you have any questions regarding senior dog care and how to best take care of your aging dog, give us a call. We're always here to answer your questions and help you out as best we can.